Hello friend, in this video I'm going to teach you how to detect digit on image and also whitelist and blacklist the character you want to get output from the Pytesseract. So let's jump onto the Colab notebook and we are going to set up Tesseract OCR and Pytesseract. So let's install all of this package on Colab notebook. Then we are going to import necessary packages like matplotlib, pytesseract, argparse, cv2. So all of these four packages we require to perform this tutorial. And we are going to define this definition so that we can easily display the image on Colab notebook. And I'm giving this URL for image so you can download and perform the same tutorial. So now here we defining the parsing code or argument values so that we can easily access in the next upcoming cells. So here we defining the image path, whitelist characters and blacklist characters. So here whitelist character we defined only the this numerical values and dollar sign, dot and hyphen. So we are going to whitelist only these characters and all the alphabets we are not going to detect here. Okay, so you will not get any alphabet in your output. So let's see the output of this whitelisting. So here you can see we successfully detected this numerical value. So we only whitelisted the numerical value only. So we have successfully detected here. Let's see this cell here. What we are performing here, we are reading this image and converting into BGR to RGB, and we defining this option as a null string. And we are checking for whitelist, any whitelist argument we have passed in a argument dictionary. So it will take this all the characters and setting up this option for Pytesseract. So here we are defining with this string here, and if any blacklist character also be passed, so we are setting same in the option by appending the this string same as it is we have done before. Yes, so let's whitelist some characters. So now we going to blacklist some characters like one. We are not want to detect this one in our output. So now the one is removed now. Okay, and let's and also we also not want this zero here also. Now zero also removed from the output actually. So in this way we can whitelist and blacklist a character using this code. So you can use in your project if you want to whitelist or blacklist 10 characters. Hope guys you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you guys.